Our world-class faculty conduct more than $750 million in research annually, placing us alongside MIT, Harvard, and Yale as the most significant research universities in New England. That research is focused on sectors critical to the Massachusetts economy and its quality of life, such as renewable energy, life sciences, healthcare, manufacturing, computer science, and more. And from the research expenditures to employment to entrepreneurship and investment, UMass generates $7.5 billion in annual economic impact in Massachusetts and supports 30,000 private sector jobs across the state. Clearly, despite the headwinds facing all of higher education, the state of the University of Massachusetts remains strong, and UMass continues to deliver for the Commonwealth.